Hi, today I'm going to be talking about sound strategies to help your student. The M makes a sound with your mouth closed. An N sounds very similar, but your student is going to want their mouth to be open. Show them visually and then have them repeat. The X sound makes a KS sound. You can have another one of your rhythm tools to demonstrate this. The S and the SH sound can sound very similar. The S sound makes S as in smile. You're going to show your student they want to smile while making the sound. The SH sound, your lips push forward, as in the word fish. Shh. The T and CH sound can also sound similar. With the T sound, your lips don't move. With the CH sound, your lips move forward. Chop. Ch. That's it for my lesson today. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.